Hi, welcome. My name is Samuel James Price, and every single day I go over the news here on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, Crypto Lifer. And it's an awesome show. We give you 3 to 5 minutes of the best news in the game. Coinbase Layer 2 base overtakes optimism in daily active users as friend.tech hype soars. Base daily activity users hit a record high of 136,000. Activity on Base is tied to friend.tech, a social network rumored to be releasing a token airdrop. About 175 million have been bridged to Base since inception. Frenzied activity around friend.tech, a social network platform built on Coinbase. Layer 2 blockchain base has driven daily activity towards a record high. Wow. Following a modest public release on Wednesday that saw just 10 million in fresh inflows during its first day as a live blockchain. Base has now overtaken rival Layer 2 blockchain Optimism in terms of daily active users. Is it not that far away from Arbitrum's total of 147,000? A total of 175 million in cryptocurrencies have been transferred to Base since its inception, with almost 580,000 transactions recorded on Thursday. Much of that has been attributed to the friend.tech, a new social network that allows users to purchase or sell shares tied to the popular Twitter figures. Interesting. Shares attached to... This is getting crazy. I just found out about this. I never heard about it. That's why I like the news. I'll do my deep dives and I'll be all over it. I'll teach you how to get into it. We'll find out how to get in there. We'll find out what's going on. It's going to be amazing. ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF application decision pushed by the SEC. The SEC is currently reviewing over a dozen spot Bitcoin and Ether future ETF applications. The U.S. Securities Exchange Commission extended its review of the ARK 21 shares Bitcoin exchange traded fund application as it continued to look at applications from traditional finance heavyweights like BlackRock and Fidelity. What else do you have to do, man? You have the knowledge. Read the piece of paper, give it a week, and give it a stamp. Like, it's just insane. But ARK is still waiting now. We didn't get the initial decision, and we're waiting. So there you have it. That's just like the news. Everyone is biting at the end of this. They want to know. All right? They're biting. They're like, come on. Metaverse platform Sandbox transferred out 60 million SAND ahead of Monday's 133 token unlock as the price of SAND slid 4% in August. The Sandbox Genesis smart contract had emitted 60 million SAND tokens prior to the upcoming token unlock for August 14th. Might be a nice little easy short for SAND there. 332 million SAND tokens will be unlocked Monday. If those get unlocked, I mean, I believe some people will sell. But I mean, it is the low of the market. Who's going to sell? XRP tops Bitcoin and all of the assets at ITrust Capital. It's a big deal. XRP tops Bitcoin at ITrust Capital. I mean, huge. They first created and they want people and they love the XRP community. The second that Judge Torres comment made that decision, that it was not deemed a security, I mean, people just flooded into ITrust Capital with their XRP. People believe it's going to be part of a bigger system later on. People are willing to hold it long term. They want to throw it in that, and maybe it goes up huge, and they're even to sell it, buy back in, and accumulate more tax-free. So the impact of the XRP by the numbers, I mean, it traditionally dominated the platform, but 30% of the total transaction volume over the past 12 months, see? But after relisting XRP on the 13th of July, it was accounted for approximately 31% of all trading volume, beating out Bitcoin by that 1%. And then Bitcoin fell to 22% at that time. So it was even bigger, really, of an edge. And it's quite impressive to see XRP volume at 41% higher than Bitcoin for a sustained period. It's a big deal. And this empowers the XRP community. So XRP and ITrust Capital, man, really, really big deal. That is a marriage and a match made in heaven. And you can see that immediately that ability to get into a Roth IRA and move funds and to get XRP in that Roth IRA. People wanted it so bad. And that's why you can see how the SEC is not helping the average investor, because this is an American company. So those are American investors and they rushed back into ITrust Capital. So XRP is more popular than you realize and people want to get in. ITrust Capital creates that opportunity. You don't really get it anywhere else. And that's why I love partnering with them. And that's why this article is huge. And it just also shows you a lot about the back end of what's happening with XRP. So that is the news, everybody. And I hope you're excited as me for more news coming tomorrow.